Most developers write code first, then tests. TDD does the opposite, intentionally. When you write a test before any implementation, you're forced to think about what the code should do before you think about how to do it. The test acts as a precise specification. You're saying, given this input, I expect this exact output. This upfront clarity prevents vague requirements and ensures your code solves the actual problem, not just what you assumed it was. TDD follows a three-step cycle: red, green, refactor. First, you write a test that fails. That's red because the code doesn't exist yet. Next, you write just enough code to make that test pass. That's green. Finally, you clean up the implementation without breaking anything. That's refactor. This tight loop keeps you grounded, always knowing whether the code works before moving on. Because each test targets one specific behavior, you only write the code needed to pass it. Nothing more. You naturally avoid building features nobody asked for. The result is leaner, more focused code with fewer unnecessary abstractions and less complexity to maintain. Those tests also become your safety net. When you refactor, they catch regressions instantly. And because they describe real behavior, they serve as living documentation that never goes out of date. TDD's test-first approach defines requirements up front, keeps your design lean, and lets you refactor with confidence. Try it on your next feature. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.